Tanco, PLT 141 BOD. Incubator. Triple-walled construction. Outer made of MS powder-coated. Chamber made of SS 304. Comes with circulating fan. Puff insulated. Full-view inner glass door. Digitally controlled. Temperature range 5 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. Accuracy of plus or minus 0.5 degrees Celsius. CFC free. Supplied with stainless steel shelves. Workable on 220/230ths of a volt AC. Available in different capacity of 60, 113, 173, 282, 342, 421 liters. Customized size is also available as per customer requirement. Additional optional facilities. Lighting system by interior illumination with 3 fluorescent tubes of 60 centimeters. 20 watts, placed vertically along back wall temp. 10 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius timer with reverse 0 to 24 hours. Control panel for admitting CO2 or CO2 air mixture chamber. Voltage stabilizer automatic. Communication port with interface, RS-485, and data cable to download data to PC for temp. Complete with converter. Thermal printer can be attached with PLC-based system. For micro PLC controller with 21 CFR compliance software. For catalog and price details, please contact US.